Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to do a Welsh traditional vegetarian dish. I'm going to show you how to make Glamorgan sausages. And yeah, they're not remotely like sausages except the shape, which I guess people in the county of Glamorgan in Wales thought was a sausage. Who knows? Anyway, I'd never heard of them until it was requested by David Batchelor, and then a few weeks later, or maybe a few months, I found some in the freezer cabinet of a supermarket, so I bought them, and they were fab. They were really, really nice. So, thank you, David. Good tip. Anyway, some shout-outs, one for Jagpreet Singh, and one for Mark in Leeds, who's Jerky M's cousin. This is nothing like curry goat, but you might still like it. And also to Cambridge Kitchen down there in sunny South Wales. He's another cooking channel. Been going about a year, maybe a bit more, I don't know. And yeah, have a look, see what you think. So if you like this video, do the usual, like, share, subscribe, etc. And without further ado, let's do it. Right, ingredients for the not exactly sausages. I've got 225 grams of breadcrumbs, 175 grams of leek, 125 grams of cheese, a medium-sized handful of parsley, actually quite a big one, a teaspoon of mustard and some salt and white pepper for seasoning, and possibly a splash of milk if you need it. So the cheese, yeah, well, I guess it should be a Welsh cheese, but I couldn't get Caerphilly and I can't think of any others. So this is actually crumbly Lancashire, and it's lovely. It's very sharp. It's a bit like Cheshire, but I guess any kind of cheese will work as long as it tastes of cheese. So you need to shred your leeks, and probably the best way is to just quarter them if they're big. Then call Gordon Ramsay and say, "Gordon, got a veg I need chopping, come and do it for me." Or use the modern method. So you want a bit of oil in a frying pan and just pop the shredded leeks in. And we're just going to saute them for a couple of minutes till they're soft, but not brown. So take that off the heat and let it cool down. Now you need to grate your cheese. You'll need a magic cheese grater for this. And they weren't kidding about this being crumbly cheese. It just pushes through like it's not there. I've got to stop eating this. Time to mix it all together. So put your breadcrumbs into a bowl with the cheese and the leeks and the chopped parsley, and maybe half a teaspoon of white pepper, good pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of mustard, and mix those all together. Now you want to beat your eggs together. Haven't got a magic machine for this. Well, I have, but not using it. And stir that in with everything else. And that is very dry, so I'm going to add a little bit of milk. We're trying to get a kind of firm dough. Not too wet and not too dry, just firm enough so that it holds together. Okay, that looks good, so just grab some and squish it together and form it into a sausage-like entity. Just realised I got my watch on. I never normally wear that when I'm cooking. Sorry about that. Now they don't quite finish because I'm going to coat them in breadcrumbs, but I'll put those 4 in the fridge while I get on with making the rest of them. Okay, so I've got 10 Glamorgan sausages, and I'm just going to coat them in breadcrumbs. So I've got another beaten egg, dip it in and Roll it in breadcrumbs. I might do this twice if I've got enough stuff left at the end, because that gives you extra crunchiness. And stick them in the fridge for half an hour or more until you're ready to use them. Right, I'm just going to make a quick cheese sauce because you know, I think it would be pretty dry without it, and I don't like pretty dry food. So you need about 50 grams, a couple of ounces of butter and the same amount of flour. You melt the butter in a saucepan on medium heat. You stir in the flour, or sift it in, and stir it till it's like a smooth paste. And then add maybe 200 ml of milk and stir that in and let it cook for about 5 minutes till it thickens. And then add a load of grated cheese. Easy. This is a mix of the cheddar and Lancashire cheeses because I've run out of the Lancashire. And I'm just going to add a bit of parsley to that. Stir that in and have a taste. Right, so I've got a fair bit of oil in a pan, about a centimetre, half an inch, and heating it to medium heat. So if you pop a little bit of bread in to the oil, it should sizzle. Come on, sizzle. Well, it's got bubbles forming around it, so it's on the verge of sizzling. Okay, I think that's probably hot enough to put the sausage in. And just cook them till they're sort of golden brown. And just like real sausages, this one's split. Okay, and when they're nice and golden all over, take them out and drain them on kitchen paper. Okay peeps, Glamorgan sausages, taste test time with Mrs. KeefCooks. Hello.
Hello darling.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Some gravy.
Oh, what have we got then?
Cheese gravy. Cheese sauce.
Cheese sauce.
And sausages of Glamorgan.
And you said these are vegetarian, aren't they?
Yeah.
So what's in them?
Bacon. Cheese and leeks.
Oh yeah.
And no bacon. Mm-hmm. Well, I'm well impressed with that because they didn't fall apart like I expected them to.
Oh, these are really good.
And
I'm going to try one.
Hot.
Oh yeah, I might have mentioned.
Hot like.
A bit warm. That is a really nice flavour. It does need the sauce as well, doesn't it?
Mm.
Mm. Yeah. Yeah, I like these.
Mm.
Aren't they pretty? I think that's a success, don't you?
I'm amazed.
There's no bacon in it and he likes it. Oh yeah. And they'd be nice cold as well. This is good picnic food. It's not going to be greasy when it's cold.
Mmm. Yeah.
Mm. Oh yeah.
Or you could put a boiled egg inside it. Yeah. A Glamorgan Scotch egg. A Welsh egg.
I think I'd skip that one.
Oh, I think I might try it. That sounds interestingly bizarre.
Mm. Well, I'm not a great fan of Scotch eggs because I think there's all that flavour on the outside and then there's a
boring egg.
Bald egg on the inside. It doesn't really have any flavour. Mm. This I like.
Mm. Right.
Mm.
Marvellous.
Yeah.
Another success.
Lunch tomorrow. I'm taking that to work.
Yeah.
Well, maybe not those.
Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.